Coco the Cloud, Chapter 3. Oh no, Ray the rainbow has lost its colors. Can Coco bring them back? Let's float up high and find out together. Today we'll meet Coco the Cloud again. We dedicate the story to every child who believes a little kindness can make the colors brighter. Chapter 3. Coco the Cloud and the Rainbow Rescue. The morning sun rose over the sleepy hills, and Coco the Cloud floated joyfully across the sky. She wiggled her fluffy edges and waved to the birds gliding by. Good morning, world. What a perfect day for an adventure. But something felt different. The colors of the sky seemed dim. The blue wasn't as bright, and the golden light looked shy. Down below, the flowers were whispering, "Where's our rainbow?" Coco gasped. The rainbow, her favorite sky friend, hadn't appeared after yesterday's rain. Determined to find out why, she puffed up a little bigger and floated high into the soft silver mist. At the edge of the clouds, Coco found Ray the rainbow, looking pale and droopy. "Oh, Coco," sighed Ray, "the wind blew away my final color, violet. Without it, I can't shine." Coco thought and thought. Then she remembered a secret, violets on the hill. "Hold on, Ray," she giggled. She zoomed down to the meadow, gathered gentle drops of purple dew from the blooming flowers, and carried them carefully back up to the sky. With a joyful spin, she sprinkled the violet mist into Ray's arch. Whoosh! Ray glowed bright and bold again, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet too. The whole sky cheered, sparkling in color. Ray beamed. "Thank you, Coco. You filled my world with kindness." Coco smiled. "And you filled mine with color." That evening, the meadow glimmered, painted in rainbow dreams as Coco drifted home, soft and smiling. When you share your light with others, you make the whole world shine brighter. Wasn't that lovely? Coco's kindness made the rainbow shine bright again. If you liked our story, tap like, share it with your friends, and subscribe so you don't miss the next adventure with Coco the Cloud. What will her next adventure be? Let's find it out together. See you on the next story time, little dreamers. Thank you.